Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be another LockSport update video. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking this out. This is a video series that I do every single Saturday that serves to be a great place for me to update the community on everything that I've been working on, but it is more importantly a great place for the community to update everyone on what they're working on. If you have any updates you would like to see shared next week, as always, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'd love to try to share them next week. I just want to say thank you again to everyone that has helped support my channel, that helps support it by subscribing, liking, sharing, clicking the notification bell, commenting, and just making this such a fun channel to run. I want to say thank you again to all of my new channel sponsors. That is a really cool feature where you can subscribe to my channel and you can get some exclusive benefits. If you're interested in checking it out, if you look on my channel, you'll see a join button. But what I'm going to do this week is I am going to start to go over a few of the smaller channels so you can start to check out some really great channels out there. The first channel I'm going to mention this week is going to be called Doug Picks Locks. This is a smaller channel and it is pretty cool to check out. And what I'm going to do is share a very quick clip of that for you right now.
Hi everybody, it's Doug. I was looking on Facebook Marketplace, which is actually a neat little place to find lock opportunities. And I had seen these advertised. Had no idea what Brady was, and I thought, I don't know. Well, later I noticed that these are made by Abus. And a little research, I found out that this is basically Abus's comparable to the Master 410 that everybody's so familiar with. This is a Loto lock, and for those of you unfamiliar with the concept of Loto or Lotto, it's lockout, tagout. These things are meant to be used by workmen or workwomen. As they are working on a piece of machinery, they would lock it out or lock out the circuit breaker and take the key with them to guarantee that nobody's going to come along and turn the unit on while they're inside working on it.
Thank you so much for checking out Doug Picks Locks. If you enjoyed the content that you saw, and you would like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. The next channel that I'd like to mention this week is going to go by Culper Woodhull. Culper Woodhull is another smaller channel, and what I'm going to do is roll a quick clip of his channel so you can check him out.
Yeah, Culper here. This is my attempt at the Desmo fully pinned up with the 8 sliders. Oh, is it open? Hold on. Oh, please be open. I don't know if I can. No, I don't want to do it that way. Yes. Yes. It is open. It's awesome. It's open. Got the 8 sliders. Alright.
Thank you so much for checking out Culper Woodhull. If you enjoyed the content that you saw and you'd like to see more videos by him, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Another channel I'm going to mention this week is going to be Beginner Lockpicking Diaries. If you remember a while back, he made me a really cool everyday carry set. I still use it to this day. What he made me was the leather case. He is such a talented guy when it comes to leather work. Just want to say thank you again to you for making that, and I'm so happy to have it. But Beginner Lockpicking Diaries just wanted me to remind everyone that he is still around. He just hasn't had time to make any videos recently, but he does want to get back into it. He's just been very busy at home and at work. But what I'm going to do is roll a quick clip of his channel so you can check him out right now.
G'day guys, this is Beginner Lockpicking Diaries, and today I'm going to talk about a couple of little things. I'm going to be picking this fella, this Master Lock. Now I'm not sure what model he is.
Thank you so much for checking out Beginner Lockpicking Diaries. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, I'm going to put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The next channel I'm going to mention is going to be Ryan Clay. This is a very new, very small channel, and I'm going to roll a quick clip of it for you right now.
The owner of this business does not have a key to this back door. Let's see here, I push that in to lock it, and with this here, that makes it come unlocked. See that? I used my Bogota and the thick tensioner. I didn't have no one to record this while I was picking it, but
thank you so much for checking out Ryan Clay. If you enjoyed the content and you would like to see more videos by him, I'm going to put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The thing I'd like to finish off this week is I'm going to mention LegalLockPicker. What LegalLockPicker is doing is he's going to be starting to do a giveaway pretty soon.
Alright, hey guys, LegalLockPicker here with HelpfulLockPicker. Today we are doing a giveaway. It's gonna be great. If you want to figure out how to win this set and win something else cool and maybe even a third prize, who knows? The only way you're gonna find out is to go over to the LegalLockPicker channel. You gotta be subscribed, comment, stop on over, and I'll tell you how to win them.
So I recommend that you check out his channel, and I believe he's going to be making a video today on it. He's going to announce a pretty cool giveaway. I'm going to help him out in the giveaway, and it's a little bit of a work in progress, but it's going to be a pretty cool thing to do. So what I'm going to do is I'll put a link on the top here so you can check out LegalLockPicker's channel, and you can consider checking out the giveaway that he is going to do. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you this week. This has been a really quick update and a sharing of some of the smaller channels. If anyone has any updates at all that they would love to see me share, please drop them in the comment section below. One thing I do find is that I do not always get a lot of updates on what people are doing. I'd love to be able to share any locks you've opened up, any challenge locks you're working on. Just try to make it as fun and interactive as possible. I do not always have time to go through all of the videos throughout the week to be able to find all of the content myself, but if anyone has anything that they would love to share, please share it, and I'd love to share it as well. But if you guys have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And thank you so much for checking out this week's Lock Sport update, and I'll see you next Saturday.